Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create parallax scrolling effect using Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. This is the landing page I have already created. Let's apply the parallax effect. First, reduce the size of this frame and duplicate it. Resize the images and adjust their position. Move this text slightly to the side. And reduce this text size. Set the opacity of text and button to 0. Now connect these frames using after delay of 100 ms, Smart Animation, slow curve of 1000 ms. Let's preview that. Duplicate the second frame, extend the frame, move this image upward, and resize this and place them in the center. Select the frame and reduce the opacity to 0. Now select all the section from the third frame and move it upwards until you see the next section. Connect the frames using on drag and ease in out for 2000 ms. Let's preview this. Duplicate the third frame and extend it again. Move the product cards. Reduce the opacity of the frame to 0. In next frame, move all the sections upward. Now connect these frames using on-drag interaction. To create a hover effect, take a rectangle the same size as the product card. Bring in the button and icon, group them together. Place the card in front of the rectangle and frame them together. Duplicate the frame, slightly rotate the card and align it to the rectangle. And apply the shadow. Select the both frames, create component set. Now connect these frames using while hovering. Smart animation is in and out. Now you can reuse this component by simply changing the text and images. When you're changing the image, don't copy and paste directly. It's not going to help. Instead, copy it from the image layer and paste it into the component. Now duplicate the fourth frame and extend it. Here I am just resizing the images. Bring the alt section upwards. Duplicate the fifth frame. For the review cards, just rotate and move it to the side. Resize the center card and reduce the opacity of the frame. Now bring all the section to the upwards. I'm extending the last frame for the footer. And that's it. We have built a full parallax scroll animation in Figma. If we want to create this effect using scroll-based animation instead of drag, I'll cover that in my next video. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.